Are you filming it?
I am, yeah. I now need him to do something fantastically amusing so I can submit it to one of those TV shows. I've never seen an animal like it. Is it? I want to say a meerkat, but it's not a meerkat, is it? Also, my wife won't make it this far. She's probably like about halfway up. So there's evidence.
Nice day. Got shade, and the breeze blew the smog out, so you got a clear view.
I'm guessing that people feed him up here, which is obviously what they shouldn't do.
I've never seen it. I've been climbing off and on for 20 years. I've never seen that before.
Okay. This is my third time up here, but I can't imagine him climbing all the way up here from the sort of the houses, but maybe he would.